How to enable or disable app icon badges notification on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on notifications. So you will see notifications is here, so click on notifications. Now here, so you will see first option is app notifications, so click on app notifications. Now here, so click on Chrome and turn on this button. So after turn on Chrome button, you will see app icon badges is here. So if you want to disable app icon badges, so click on app icon badges, so you will see app icon badges is disabled. So if you want to enable app icon badges, so click on this option, you will see app icon is enable, so you will enable or disable app icon badges from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can enable or disable app icon badges notifications on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.